Hey science lovers, this is Kaustav. Today we will be discussing the binomial nomenclature, which is commonly known as scientific names in biology. If you are new here, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's start the engine. So what is binomial nomenclature? Binomial nomenclature is the systemic method of naming living organisms. In taxonomy, nomenclature is one of the three pillars along with identification and classification. Now, why do we need nomenclature? Have you ever imagined being in a class of 100 students where no one has a name and you have to call them by their physical appearance? Then you have to do like this.
Hey, सफेद कपड़ा, oh, hey.
It can be pretty confusing, right? Similarly, if you lost a pencil but it has no name, how would you explain the situation? You would have to describe the pencil by saying something like, "Hey, I lost my thing. It's made of a wooden stick, has this black nib, and is used for writing." It's quite difficult, isn't it? The truth is, everything needs a name. However, in the scientific world, naming is not an easy task. Imagine being in a scientific gathering where experts from different countries have come together to discuss a topic like mango. The problem is that different people call mango by different names. Therefore, it's necessary to have a name that is scientifically correct and accepted by everyone. For this, we use scientific naming or nomenclature. The use of binomial nomenclature is crucial to the field of taxonomy, as it provides a standardized and universal language for scientists to communicate about the vast array of living organisms. The system assists in organizing and classifying species, which in turn facilitates the study of evolutionary relationships and biodiversity. You might already know the scientific name for at least one species, although you may not realize it. Have you ever heard of aloe vera? Yes, it is a scientific name that we use quite often, but we might never consider it as such. How binomial nomenclature came? Before Linnaeus, the naming of species was a confusing and disorganized process. Organisms were often identified using lengthy and convoluted descriptive phrases in Latin. Linnaeus, a Swedish botanist and zoologist, aimed to bring order to this taxonomic confusion. In his influential work Systema Naturae, he introduced the two-word naming system, also known as binomial nomenclature, that we still use today. Rules and principles of binomial nomenclature. When scientists name plants and animals, they follow specific rules to ensure that each living thing has a special and globally recognized name. There are two sets of rules, one for plants and one for animals. The rules involve using a generic name like a family name and a specific epithet like an individual's first name. This two-part naming system is called binomial, meaning two names. By following these rules, scientists can give each plant and animal a name that everyone can understand and agree upon, no matter where they are in this world. Here are the key rules. 1. Names given before 1753, which is the publication year of species Plantarum, are not considered scientific names. The full two-part name must be written in italics. When handwritten, the names are underlined, and when typed, they are highlighted or italicized. This is done to suggest their roots in Latin. 3. The genus name starts with a capital letter and the species name begins with a lowercase letter. 4. If one organism has different names or many organisms have the same name, the earliest name given will be used. This is called the law of priority. 5. If there is a correction to a scientific name, the name of the first discoverer will be in the brackets after the science species name, and the name of the latest scientist will be on the side of the bracket. For example, Albizia Lebeck, Linin, Benth. Here, Lin is Linnaeus, the first discoverer, and Benth or Bentham is the latest scientist. Let's see an example. This is a picture of a tiger. Scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris. Here, the Panthera part is genus and the tigris part is the species. The other example is lion. Scientific name of lion is Panthera leo. Here, Panthera is the genus and Leo is the species. So you can see genus of different animals are same, but species is different. But in our case, scientific name is Homo sapiens sapiens. Here, after genus and species, the third one is subspecies that comes under species. These are some common scientific names. Now, with respect to binomial nomenclature, we have to know about synonym, homonym, tautonym and toponym. Synonym. In biological nomenclature, a synonym refers to a different scientific names that has been used to refer to the same taxon. It can happen due to a reclassification or changes in taxonomic understanding. For example, Camellia sinensis and Thea sinensis both are for tea. Homonym. In biological nomenclature, a homonym occurs when two taxonomic names are spelled or pronounced the same way but refer to different taxa. This situation is generally avoided to prevent confusions. For example, Adamsia muricata, Linnaeus, that is a beetle, but Adamsia muricata Jack DC is a legume. Tautonym. In biological nomenclature, a tautonym is a specific name in which the genus and the species names are the same. This was more common in the past but generally avoided in modern biological taxonomy. For example, Naja Naja, Katla Katla, etc. Toponym. In biological nomenclature, a toponym refers to a specific name or species name derived from the geographical location, often where the species were first discovered. For example, Apis indica, scientific name for honeybee. Indica word refers to the India. In summary, when discussing these terms in the context of biological nomenclature, synonym, different names for the same taxon. Homonym, names that are spelled or pronounced the same but refer to different taxa. Tautonym, a specific name where the genus and species are identical. And toponym, a species name derived from the geographical location. So thank you for learning about binomial nomenclature with me. If you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more science content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Keep exploring the wonders of biology and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. This is Biogenius 8TS signing off. Bye bye.